Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit.
Don't touch me, boo boo. I don't know who you is. I'm classy, alright? I am classy. I don't have time. I don't have no time. I don't have no time. I'm here to just sit my martini, okay? And go about my day.
So, what's up, my Nana love bees and gents? Okay. So as you can see, I'm back here with another video. I know you guys missed me because I've been gone for like how long? Inches. And this ain't even all the way stretched, baby. The on wire stretch, baby. Alright, so today my lips dry. I need my chapstick. Bees. The best ever. Get yours today. Find it at your local CVS or Walgreens. Keep your lips fresh. Ching. Say no. This is not a sponsored video, but Birds and Bees is the best ever on my lips. So today's video, let's just get into it because I'm talking too much. So before I get into it, please like, comment, subscribe. Leave me some ideas because they're appreciated. Today will not be a natural hair video. You read the title, so let's just get into it. This dress I got from a photo shoot that I did. If you guys would like to see a modeling journey video, give me to 100 subbies, okay? Give me to 100 subs, and I will take you through my whole modeling journey. I will insert photo shoots and experiences that I've had getting into modeling, and I'm still working on it, so yeah. Give me to 100 subs. subscribe.
What is you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Give me a subscribe. Like, what you doing? Give me 200 subbies, okay? I know my hair looking crazy, but it's okay. Still cute though.
it fit when I did the photo shoot. Then I can't zip it now. What's up? Holy moly donut shop, holy moly donut shop. So this is a dress. This is a dress that I received at a modeling shoot. Yeah, I never wore it out. And it's just too much of my chest that's out, so I haven't worn this. I need like one of them bras that go across, that don't have no straps, to wear this, because I don't feel comfortable just, you know, I'm very, yeah, but it's cute. It's like a back out dress. I mean, not like a back out dress, but it is a back out dress, so you know, you be up in there like,
don't touch me, boo-boo. I don't know who you is. I'm classy, alright? I am classy. I don't have time. I don't have no time. I don't have no time. I'm here to just sip my martini, okay? And go about my day.
this is my favorite one out of all of them, because it's classy. It's classy. It's classy. So,
If you guys like this video, please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And come back for more videos. Peace out, my nana, love you.
Eligotbeatzz.